Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I want to show you how I make my Mexican rice. Okay, so for this recipe I use 1 cup of long grain white rice, and I wash my rice first because I want my rice to be as dry as possible before I use it. I love to use a strainer like this when I wash my rice because it just makes it so easy, and I always talk about this in my video name. So if you're interested in a strainer like this, I will leave it link below so you could check it out. As always, I will have the exact measurements in the description box below for you know. So while the rice is dry, I go ahead and get the other ingredients ready. So for this recipe, I use 2 Roma tomatoes, and I just roughly chop it and put it in the blender. You will need 1 little piece of onion, and this is like 1/4 of a small onion, and 1 clove of garlic. Okay, so you just want to pulse it to get started, and then after that you blend it for a good minute. I know they put no water in it, so you take a little bit to get it going. You know, just take it off everything and shake it up a little bit. But once you get going, you'll be fine. And you just want to blend this until it's smooth. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for the stop by. And if you're not subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you just consider subscribing, and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when I upload one new video. I just want to measure this out so you can see how much it is, because it depends on how big your tomatoes and how juicy your tomatoes, but that will determine how much water you need to add to the rice. I get 1 cup total. Okay, so to my pan set over medium-high heat, I add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Okay, so now I will add my rice, and I will make this toast up for about 7 minutes or so, or just until you see it start to get brown. This is one very important step, you can't skip it. You want to make it get nice and toasty, and that will give it that nutty flavor. And make sure you go in there and stir it up often, because you don't want the thing to get burned up. If you not follow me on Instagram yet, you could do so on Cooking with Shirani. I always do share stuff over there in my stories, so come check it out and see where I share. Okay, now that it's nice and toasty, I want to add the tomato mixture to it and stir it up, and I lower the heat back down to medium and make this cook for about 2 minutes or so. And you have to make it cook because you want to cook out the onion taste. If not, when the dish done, it tastes like lone raw onion. And trust me, cause I've done it, so don't do that. If you're somebody who cook a lot of rice, then you know when you cook rice that 2 to 1, right? For every cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. So I count the tomato mixture as 1 cup of water, 1 cup of liquid. And because I cook out some meat in the pot, I add an extra 1/4 cup of water. So in that case, I add 1 cup of the tomato mixture and 1 1/4 cup of water. So that's the sweet spot right there for me. I feel like that gives you the perfect rice. And I just put the water in the blender for rinse it out. Now I will add 1 packet of chicken bouillon powder. If you not got the powder, you could use 1 chicken bouillon cube. Anyone where you have will be fine. And I add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you go in there and stir it up so everything could get nice and well mixed up together. Taste it and make sure everything good. Now I just cover this and I will lower the stove to 2, almost to the lowest setting, and I will make this cook for 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes up, I don't usually open it, but I just want to open it, make you see what it look like. And as you can see, all the water done absorb already. But I want to cover this back and I want to leave it on the stove and make it sit on the stove for an additional 10 minutes. Now after the 10 minutes, you want to go in there with a fork and fluff it up a little bit. Well, there you go everybody, easy peasy Mexican rice or Spanish rice. You can't get easier than this. I just love this rice. It's so easy to make and it tastes so nice. And if you know somebody will like rice already, then you will love this one. If you don't ever try any of my recipe, then no be ashamed. Send me a picture on social media or tag me at Cooking with Shirani. I will love to see them. People always send it to me and I just love that. So thank you so much for do that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this other video in a Kriol. I try do it for uno, but I enjoyed it do it, so I'm glad uno enjoyed so far. And I just want to say thanks for the watch and thanks for subscribe, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do that. Take care, bye.